Good morning and welcome to the video. Today is going to be a full day of eating. I'm going to take you through all of my meals, my run and my lift. You're going to see all of that. I have a few clients I have to train. I'm going to get into that. It is Saturday, May 16th. Right now it is 8 a.m. and I'm going to have breakfast. Let's go. So basically every morning I'll have this. If I don't put the powder in my smoothie, then I just drink it like this. It is superfood green powder, superfood red powder. Cheers. Okay, for breakfast, I'm gonna be having some protein powder with a bowl of fruit. So in the protein powder, I'm gonna put a little bit of milk, all right? Just a little bit. Stir it all up. And that's what it should look like. A nice pudding-like texture. With that, I'll be having the bowl of fruit, and most importantly, gotta add this Ready Whip. Doggo likes some too. So if there's been one thing I've been working on since my run, I would most definitely say it's been recovery. Focusing on recovery and just injury prevention in general is super important, especially if you're someone like me who is some type of hybrid athlete, meaning you do a lot of activity. For me, I run and I lift and I train for marathons, and I also train for Olympic weightlifting competitions. So it takes a lot on my body, and I need a lot of recovery enabled for me to continue on doing what I love to do. Every single day, my main focus is to make sure I'm rolling out, I'm stretching, I'm warming up before my workouts. My foods are nutrient dense, my sleep is on point. I gotta focus on all of these things in order for me to just be able to function day to day. And it doesn't feel that great all the time, but it is so worth it. See, one thing that I did wrong when I was just focusing on Olympic lifting, and a reason I think my shoulder dislocated, is that I wasn't focusing on recovery as I should have been. And it's not just so much of foam rolling and stretching. I think what's more important is having good nutrition and getting in an adequate night's sleep. There's been plenty of studies about adequate night's sleep and how that helps with recovery. So me diving in on my nutrition and my sleep has helped me tremendously. On top of that, the rolling and the stretching is just making it awesome. So after my 51 mile run, I was beat up, and I've been doing a lot of this on top of strength training as well. And I feel 1,000 times better. You have to focus on recovery if you want to have longevity in what you do. And I know for me, I love what I do and I want to do this the rest of my life. So I am going to really focus on recovery so I can run and lift for the rest of my life. For you, same thing. Focus on sleep, focus on good nutrition, focus on stretching and foam rolling, and you too will have longevity in what you love to do. All right, so I just finished training a few clients. Now I'm gonna eat a pre-run meal. I'm gonna have some eggs, half avocado, and jasmine rice. I'm gonna eat this, get warmed up, get ready, go on my run, and then come back and get into my lift. Trader Joe's, everything but the bagel. So good. Hey, Frankie. Hey, Frankie. All right, here's my pre-run meal. Cup of jasmine rice, half avocado, and 2 whole eggs. It is a beautiful day outside. I'm about to crush a 45-minute run. When I get back, I'm gonna have a little post-run, pre-workout snack, and get after my chest and back workout. Whew, it is so gorgeous. I love running in this weather. It's like 80 degrees, a little wind. It's perfect. I'm very excited. Four miles in. 31 minutes in, I'm feeling good. I love this weather. I'm not listening to music for 2 reasons. 1, to focus on my breathing, and 2, for my rhythm. I want to be able to hear my steps, each step for rhythm. Most of the times, I don't listen to music when I'm running. This is awesome. This weather is amazing. 40-minute run. 5 miles at a 7:56 pace. I figured I'd cut it at 5 miles just because, 1, I was right by my house, so I figured, all right, I'll cut it there. I felt amazing the whole run. I don't want anything to flare up again, so I figured I'd cut it there while I'm feeling amazing before anything goes wrong. That was a great run. This weather's beautiful. I'm gonna eat a quick snack. Oh. Kilo wants me to get up there now. I'm gonna eat a quick snack and then I'm gonna get into my workout. All right, my post-run pre-workout snack is this BPN Field Bar. It is the go-to post-run pre-workout snack. It's got 10 grams of fat, 23 grams of carbs, and 16 grams of protein. Bone apple teeth. Really happy about that set. I got 100 for 5. Last week I attempted that, I only got 4. So now I got 5. Now I'm doing my back off set and then getting into my back exercises. All right, 53 push-ups. I just got shoulder surgery a little over a year ago for my rotator cuff and some ligament repair. So 53 push-ups in a row basically is a hell of an accomplishment for me. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm excited about my 100 for 5. So overall, this was a great workout. I'm gonna finish these 100 push-ups, then I'm gonna get ready. Me and Allie are heading back to her house, and we are gonna barbecue and chill out in the sun, have some fun. All right, let me get after it. Oh, Daddy loves you. Oh, okay.
Okay.
All right, post-workout, having 1 scoop of whey protein. Love this flavor. It literally tastes like the milk after you eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch. It's cinnamon roll, whey protein, delicious. $20.93? $20.93? Yeah, please. Got some gas. Now we are off to Allie's. Since quarantine started, which was like March 16th, I have not put gas in my tank until today, May 16th. So 2 months of not putting gas in my tank. That's incredible. I only put $20 in and it gave me half a tank. Usually $20 would give me a quarter of a tank. Crazy, crazy times we live in. All right, just got to Allie's. I'm about to show you my most favorite backyard of all time. It is amazing. I'm excited to show you guys. We're about to cook up some chicken, make some dinner, barbecue, and hang out by the pool. Let's go. So I just beat my meat. I beat down the chicken. I like to beat it down more. I used to not do it like this, but now I feel like it tenderizes it better and it just cooks quicker and it cooks better. So first I beat it, then I just a little bit of olive oil on top, and that's just all preference. I like to do it. It cooks better as well. Then I put salt, pepper, and garlic powder on both sides, and that is all you need. It's perfect. I'm gonna finish putting the seasoning on top, and then I'm gonna throw these on the grill. All right, so for dinner, I'm having chicken, grilled chicken, salad made by the lovely Allie, some jasmine rice, grilled bell pepper. Looks delicious, can't wait to dig in. Guys, we are gonna kick back and relax. That is my full day of eating, and I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty sure I'm done. If I do grab a snack, you will see me next clip. If not, that is all. See you next video.